Fantom's massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording we have now managed to break above our key area of resistance above the 0.7116, flipping it back into support. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is also acting as support. And we have also managed to break above a very significant high that we made above the 0.7648 in a move that is now showing a lot of momentum to the upper side and has also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August. You can see that we first picked in this 5-wave structure, giving us a high above the 0.5354, completing the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1. Then after we picked in that Elliott wave count 1, we started a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliott wave count 2. We bottomed out in that Elliott wave count 2 and saw an aggressive bounce to the upside in this Elliott wave count 3 that peaked above the $0.76. And after we picked in that wave 3, I was expecting to see a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliott wave count 4, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of this Elliott wave count 4, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, where you can see that we saw a bit of a short-term pullback into the area, touched and also managed to close within the area, and we have finally seen a reaction of this area in what I am now terming as the start of an impulsive Elliott wave count 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliott wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of this Elliott wave count 3, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliott wave count 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.9345. So in the next coming hours, there are very high chances that Fantom is going to continue seeing these higher prices and get us back above the $0.93 in the next coming hours. And for that move to play out, we first need to see Fantom holding above our key area of support above the 0.71. We also need to continue holding above this significant high that we made in this Elliott wave count 3 above the $0.76. And as long as we continue holding above that key area of support, there's a very high chance that we are going to continue seeing those impulsive movements to the upside in an Elliott wave count 5. But if by any chance we lose this key area, that is this significant high, then that will be opening up the chances of seeing a bit of a short-term pullback in the next coming hours, maybe to support above the 0.71. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the Fantom chart for the next coming hours, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.